Hi, welcome to Pretty in Camo. It's Friday. I did not expect this till Tuesday. I knew it was on its way. It's a birthday present, an early birthday present from one of my viewers. The person had emailed me and told me that they ordered this for me. It is huge. It might be too big to use for a purse. An American Velcro backed patch. And then there's one that says, "Do not mistake my kindness for weakness." And then this is the bag itself. Nice long strap, padded shoulder thing. There's also a couple of loops there, like for you could attach your keys or whatever. On the front is Velcro, and there's loops here. Buckle. This is zippered. A pouch, and inside there's like two, I don't know if I can show you, and there's two pen holders and two like for a cell phone or something. And then there's this zipper on the front. It's just empty in there. This is why I had it on my wish list, because it has so many pockets. There's a pocket there, plus loops if you wanted to attach something. Another one of those pockets on this side. Then the main compartment has a separate divided place there, plus, what is there? There's two big pockets there. And on the opposite side, is a zipper mesh pocket. And then this is the back. It also has Velcro on it. I guess it could be the front if you wanted it to be. There's another pocket here. It's not divided inside or anything. And this one has a bunch of loops to organize things, and then the mesh. So, yeah. A couple of plastic loops there. I'm very impressed with it. It's so much better than what I thought it would be. And I was hoping it would be here before Monday, because I wanted to take it with me when I go to, I have to go to Truro to get the test result, or not test results, it's ultrasound. But I'll make a separate video about that, explaining what's going on. But That's an early birthday present from one of my viewers. Thank you. You didn't want me to say who you are, so I'm not going to. But thank you very much. I love, love, love it. Love the color. And I might do a giveaway with this, because I don't really want it. So if you like this bag, let me know in the comments below. If you've ever had something like this, let me know as well. And my Amazon wish list is updated every Friday, or sometimes through the week if I, get bored. But this was on it, and now it's mine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that post bell button so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.